Good morning, happy Wednesday. Today under Wednesday's assignment, you will see that you will be completing a relative humidity gizmo. So similar to the gizmo that we completed in class together a couple weeks ago, you are going to be doing this on your own. You will use the link that is listed in Google Classroom. And then you will click on the login and enroll. I'm already logged in, so mine's a little bit different, but up here at the top right corner, hit that login and enroll. Enter your username and password. If you do not remember this password that you created, please email me and I will send it to you right away. Also make sure that you have our class code entered. If you do not have it, it's listed back in Google Classroom right here. Once you are logged into the gizmo, make sure you see our 6th grade science class. And then scroll to the bottom of the page where you see the relative humidity gizmo, and then press launch. As the gizmo is starting, you are going to go back to Google Classroom and you will see a handout or activity sheet that goes along with the gizmo. This activity sheet will walk you through every single step in the gizmo. There are some questions to complete before you start the gizmo, so please make sure that you do those. A couple different ways to do this. You can print this out and turn it in person, or scan it back in and upload it, or you can answer the questions directly on the document and then submit them to me through email or attach it back in Google Classroom. That is the only assignment for today. Please let me know if you have any questions. And again, if you do not remember your username and password for Gizmo, please email me. Thanks and have a great day.